What is that noise? And where is it coming from? Hey guys, I think the noise stopped.
Great! Let's keep going. Butterflies taste with their feet.
Yeah, but they frolic with their hearts. Diddly-dee, frolicky, frolicky, free.
Woolly bear is the caterpillar stage of the moth. Huh. Awesome.
Amazing! Nature is just magnificent! Oh, the sound! It's back!
Whatever it is, it's getting louder.
Maybe that means it's closer too!
Right, man. We gotta go investigate.
Huh? I don't know if that's such a good idea, Squeaks.
Oh, come